Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cabin air filter in your Ford Taurus. First, gather your tools: a new filter, a small flathead screwdriver, and a flashlight. This simple maintenance task significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and ensures your heating and air conditioning system operates efficiently. It's a quick and easy DIY project that anyone can do with minimal effort, saving you money on dealership service fees. Once your glove box is empty, gently press inward on both sides to release the retaining clips. This allows the glove box to swing down further, revealing the cabin air filter housing. You'll see a rectangular cover, usually held in place by 2 or 3 small clips or tabs. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its location before proceeding to the next step. A flashlight can be helpful here to see clearly. With the housing cover unclipped, carefully slide out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper installation of the new filter. Now, take your new filter and ensure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically towards the rear of the vehicle. Gently slide the fresh filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Finally, reattach the cabin air filter housing cover, making sure all clips are securely fastened. Then, carefully push the glove box back into its original position until it clicks into place. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. This simple task ensures you breathe cleaner air and your vehicle's climate control system works more efficiently. Remember, a fresh filter makes a big difference. For a fresh scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.